The Health Ministry said it will not be upgrading Jamaica's mask requirement at this time. It follows increased calls for Jamaicans to wear KN95 or N95 masks amidst the spread of the highly contagious Omicron variant of COVID-19. Kelisha Williams reports.
If you were to wear a cloth mask, let's say cotton, which has 3 layers, you just have about 26.5% protection.
Clinical Assistant Professor of Medicine in New York, Dr. Keith Cummings, speaking with TVJ News on Friday. Hours later, the United States Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, updated its mask information, urging Americans to wear the most protective mask or respirator that fits well and that they'll wear consistently. The CDC went further to say N95 masks offer the best protection against COVID-19, but should be reserved for healthcare workers. But speaking in Manchester today, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said he's keeping the mask message simple.
A mask of some kind is better than no mask at all.
But the surgical mask, for instance, which is the preferred choice for many Jamaicans, only offers minimal protection from COVID-19 according to the CDC. So why is the Health Ministry not upgrading the mask requirement in Jamaica?
You run a risk in taking that position of just complicating the messaging and creating more challenges for people who may end up not wearing any mask at all. And I wouldn't want to get into that. And I agree that there are masks that are better able to protect you than others. The N95, for example, is what the clinicians use, and it has to be fitted, and it's a more complicated process in terms of determining how it is worn and size and all of that. I don't know if it's practical to expect that the country is going to engage in that level of fitting and training and orientation to get sort of absolute protection.
Dr. Tufton indicated that the handling of masks during the highly transmissible Omicron variant is more important at this time. So Jamaicans will have to be cautious and ensure masks are being worn properly.
Even before we get into types of masks, which is ensure that you put it on and take it off correctly without contaminating your hand while utilization.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.